Alright, so we're going to make another quick little video about pulling permits. Now, every county, every city, every department is different, right? You got to essentially report to the planning development. What is it? Permit and planning development. What do you call it? Office of your, wherever you're at, right? So let's go over here to Tucson, right? So you go to their website, tucsonaz.gov, and or you can just Google search it. So let's go to apply for a permit. And there's two worlds here. You have, or paths, right? You have the path of the owner builder, where you cannot sell your place in less than 12 months. And then you have the investor route, or contractor, or whatever it is, right? So you have two different paths. One is more forgiving than the other. The investor route is not very forgiving at all. So let's take a look at the owner-builder option, right? That tends to be the best route. And this is for a home that you occupy, right? So no fraud here. If you're going to occupy the residence, great. And this is the path to go. If you're a professional contractor, well, there's a different path. So it's online nowadays. You got builder permit, the development package, floodplain use permits, grading permits, sign permit. So essentially you need to write a site plan. Right, so let's go over here. And the site plan, it kind of looks like, you know, this stuff right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's something where you get like a rectangle on a piece of paper, and you draw in the setbacks on the sides, on the back, in the front. You lay out your property, and then you have the additions that you're going to do. You know, what electrical cables, what plumbing. You know, the BTUs on a gas line. You detail the project on a piece of paper, right? And usually they have, you can contact me and I have the actual site plan example that they have. So this isn't it. This is the actual submission form. So here you would go, you know, existing because it's already built. Oh, maybe not. So probably new. And then it's whatever you're doing, right? So let's say you're making an addition. So it's a site review. Or building, two-family, no residence, addition. Here you go. It's the addition. So building, residential, addition. Let's say you want to enclose a porch. Then third-party review. Not really. So your project name, it's going to be residential. Even 4 units. 3 and 4 units are considered residential. But I guess we'll select multifamily for those type of units. Street name, description of work, square footage. This information you can get from the assessor's page. This would be you personally if it's an owner builder. Your information or the actual site address. So you would put no. Is the applicant owner doing this work without a contractor? Oh, yes. Is the owner the same as the applicant? Yes. This is the best way to go and the cheapest way to go. You might have some architect plans or anything, or you might not, right? So this is where you upload the plans, the site plan. And then you sign. Owner builder. Okay, so we need to get you, we need to get out of here first. accent. I'll submit. And it probably won't even let me submit. I just screw myself or what? Anyways, let's do that again. So Tucson. Oh, that's really strange. I can't even get out of here. There's no backspace either. Okay, so let's get out. Let's go to site plan example. It should just come up. There you go. That easy. Well, how about that? So, you know, I know it can be overwhelming. So just look at one item at a time. All right, don't look at the whole thing. Just look at the first sentence. Okay, then the second one, then the third one, then the fourth one. Just take it easy, okay? By the time you know it, you'll be done with the entire thing. So create your site plan, and that's what will be uploaded on that thing that we did before. And it usually takes a long time right now. It's probably like a month for just a review. And, you know, that's just the way it is. It's going to take a while. Eventually, once you get the approval, you pay the fees. Pay planning and permit fees. You know, here you go. It's like $82, $100. It's pretty cheap. You know, it's a lot more expensive when you go through a contractor. Development impact fees. We'll have this discussion here. So this is when you're developing land. It gets really pricey because I guess it's like based on a percentage. Anyways, it can be up to like 10, 15, 20, something crazy like that. Just to bring out utilities. So this is why sometimes it's cheaper to just buy a piece of land that has been developed. Like, say, a manufactured home that's, you know, isn't worth zilch. So you just demolish it, get it out of the way, and then you have your impact fees already paid for, so you don't have to repay for those things. So that was a little nugget. So once you pay your your permit fees, all that stuff, and you're ready for inspections, with the walls open or whatever it is, then you schedule an inspection. You do that there, right? Or you call. Let's see what it looks like. So it keeps track of your permits. Not yet completed. Click here for a mobile version. Anyways, you just call them. There's their phone number. And you schedule an inspection. Certificate of occupancy. This is for like new builds. Oh, there it is, yeah. You need to certify that it's able to be occupied by a resident. And that's pretty much it. You know, you got application forms, but it's all digital now. It's pretty easy, and if you call the county, they're really helpful. Let's see if we see anything in here. There's a permit application, but as we saw, it was online. Planning and zoning, codes. That's it. So let's go back down there. Permit application. So here's a wall. But that's not a better. Let's find a better one here. Here's a framing plan. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. So here's that. This is if you're going to make like a enclosed porch or something like that. And all this stuff is online as well. Oh yeah, you don't want to fill this out. That's just done online. Well, I guess that's about it. So that's how you essentially get started on your permit. Go to TucsonAZ.gov. Wait forever and a minute. And then you just pull it up. So let's say you don't know where to start. We already showed you how to do the site plan example. Let's look up a plot plan, yeah? Let's see if we can pull up a plot plan. So plot plan, which is something I don't think you would need. It's just a site plan because it's already an existing structure. Yeah. Let's do site plan examples. Let's go there again. Yeah, residential. Well, I hope that was helpful. Go downtown and ask for further assistance, or you can contact me if you need a little bit more help. I hope you guys enjoyed and you found this educational. Take care, guys.